Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding to the top 30 large, mid and small cap stocks bought and sold by mutual funds in April month. Friends, here best thing is our picks also there on bought side. So today we are going to see that mutual funds uh, managements under new heights to reach 32 lakh crores in April 2021. And see, friends, as of now in April, the total net amount which mutual funds put is 5,500 crores in equities, and compared with March, it's 4,773 crores, and it's a good improvement shown by mutual funds on month-to-month basis. And going forward, we are see like in large cap space, highest buying was seen in Punjab National Bank and DLF, Tata Steel, Adani Ports. Friends, here Adani Steel and no, sorry, Tata Steel and Adani Ports, which are our peaks. And I mentioned Tata Steel when it is trading at 700, it will reach to 1000, and it crossed 1000. Present, it is trading around 1100. But friends, now it will take some time and it will consolidate here due to some clouds on second wave on infrastructure sector. And next one is Adani Ports to India. If any piece of trade will be done through ports only, so Adani Ports will be the major company benefited on that. And next one is Gland Pharma and UPL. These are the massive inflows you've seen. Like UPL, I already mentioned, and we reached our targets and we crossed our targets. And who taken option calls on this UPL when I said they gonna hit like 100%, not 100% means like it's 10 times. They got 10 times returns in this quarter itself. Like in this month itself, said like 27th option, and when it is trading around 7 9 rupees, I think now it is trading around 100 above. And next one is like Gland Pharma. I already mentioned when it was trading around 2000s in our COVID vaccine benefited stocks list. And friends, next one from IPO onwards, we are suggesting now it is like around 118% returns given by the Gland Pharma. And see, friends, the stocks which saw the selling pressure like Indus Towers, Vedant, JSW Steel, Britannia, Cadila Health, and these are all the things which we didn't suggest anyway. And the next one is mm, on mid caps. And if you see, friends, L&T Finance, which was suggested by our, and next that is the only one which we are suggested, and anything other, Larry's Labs. See, friends, here in March value, April uh, previously 405, now 568, nearly 168 crores bought by markets. And the shares which are in lakhs, previously 112, now it is 125. So tomorrow we can expect a positive move on Larry's Labs. I think it came today itself while marketing hours itself, but after news spreads, we can think that it will get some buying pressure. Mutual funds added means we already seen like positive on this, and now it's again positive. And here value 222,000 244 crores. Here like little bit improvement, but in a mid cap you see like it's an extraordinary like 156 crores improvement. We have to see that one also. L&T Finance also above 100 crores. And we have to notice these things, friends. How much amount improved by other mutual funds, and how much they are willing in that company maximum returns in going forward. And in that way it's a huge, I think in Ladis Labs it's a huge. And next one we didn't suggest, but friends, see here, I suggested this one recently for options, and we got that options. And like they are getting on selling side, but it will get some selling pressure. And friends, see here, go for, friends, in today's block deal also, go for seen some selling. I will done a video later. Some block deal happened on sell side. And the next one, and we didn't suggest anyone from on sell side. And next one is, friends, in small cap, if you see, we suggested Hindustan Copper and Hathway Cables. They said, friends, Hindustan Copper extraordinary, March 4 crores, on April 222 crores. This is what mentioning I previously. There is a huge space for Hindustan Copper in coming days. Investing instead of motor manufacturing and what that sector, we are going on core side like Hindustan Copper and Hindalco. These things will give you good revenue generation in coming days. And Hathway Cables, like lockdowns and all these things, will give benefit for data usages. If you use more data, these Hathway Cables and all the things will get good revenue. It's double, like if you see here, like 200 crores to 400 crores near. And Lux and Bharat Rasayan, and the next one Dilip Buildcon. Friends, slowly it will give returns, friends. In my view, Dilip Buildcon also getting good orders. And friends, EPL, so many players adding this share, but it is not giving that much returns. In coming days, the results will be there for EPL. I am also having eye on this EPL share, but it is moving up and downs in 250 to 200 ranges, and we are going to see, friends. And friends, see here, Vector Food Specialty. It is the one of the worst share that taken retail investors' money, friends. And now it is showing some positive things. Let's we hope more. And on sell side, friends, we have to observe one of the main thing here. Our Borosil Renewables seen some sell side. From March it is 60 crores. Now it is like 47 crores only. We have to think about it once. And nothing there as we suggested. And CG power continuously increased, so they taken some profit, I think. And this is it, friends. And if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.